Welcome to Jota Machinery. This video takes you inside our office area and production workshop. Upstairs is our office area. Downstairs is our manufacturing workshop. Here, our team handles order communication, technical planning, and production follow-up. Our CNC Machining Center supports precision part processing and helps improve machine stability. The workshop includes warehouse, assembly, electrical wiring, debugging, CNC machining and machine display areas. In the warehouse, materials and machine parts are stored and prepared for production. In the assembly area, technicians install mechanical parts step by step to build complete machine systems. In the electrical area, control cabinets, wiring, motors, sensors, and safety systems are carefully connected. In the debugging area, each machine is tested for movement, control response, slitting, rewinding, and printing performance. Here, you can see our full automatic thermal paper machine. You can also see two 1400C machines with single color printing. They show our capability in thermal paper slitting and inline printing solutions. Jota Machinery, practical manufacturing, stable performance, and long-term value.